Driving without a valid driving license is a serious offense that can lead to a range of legal, financial, and personal consequences. The specific penalties can vary depending on the jurisdiction, but they generally involve fines, legal action, and potential impacts on your driving privileges and insurance. Legal consequences. 1. Fines and penalties. A. Monetary fines. Standard fines. Most jurisdictions impose monetary fines on individuals caught driving without a valid license. These fines can range from relatively minor amounts to substantial sums, depending on the circumstances and local laws. Increased fines for repeat offenses. Repeat offenders may face higher fines as a deterrent for continued non-compliance. 2. Criminal charges. A. Misdemeanor. Charges. Summary. Offense. In many jurisdictions, driving without a license is considered a misdemeanor or summary offense. This can result in a criminal record, which can have long-term impacts on employment and other aspects of life. Fine and/or imprisonment. Misdemeanor charges may lead to fines, community service, probation, or even short-term imprisonment. B. Felony charges. Aggravated situations. In more severe cases, such as driving without a license while causing an accident or engaging in reckless behavior, the offense can be elevated to a felony. Felony charges carry more severe penalties, including longer imprisonment terms and higher fines. 3. Court appearances. Mandatory court appearance. Individuals caught driving without a license are often required to appear in court. Failing to attend court hearings can result in additional legal penalties, such as arrest warrants and increased fines. 4. Vehicle impoundment. Impoundment of vehicle. Law enforcement officers have the authority to impound the vehicle being driven without a valid license. Recovering an impounded vehicle can be costly and time-consuming. 5. Points on driving record license. Points. In jurisdictions that use a point system for driving violations, driving without a license can result in points being added to your driving record. Accumulating too many points can lead to further penalties, including suspension of driving privileges. Long-term consequences. 1. Driver's license issues, EGA. Difficulty obtaining a license application. Barriers. Individuals caught driving without a license may face additional obstacles when applying for their first license or renewing an existing one. This can include longer waiting periods, additional fees, or mandatory driver education courses. B. License suspension or revocation. Extended suspension. If the individual already holds a driving license that is suspended or revoked, driving without a license can result in an extension of the suspension or permanent revocation of the license. 2. Insurance consequences. Increased insurance premiums. Higher premiums. Driving without a license can lead to higher insurance premiums, as insurance companies view this behavior as indicative of risky conduct. B. Denial of coverage policy cancellation. Insurance providers may cancel existing policies or deny coverage altogether to individuals caught driving without a valid license, making it difficult to obtain insurance in the future. 3. Employment and personal consequences. A. Impact on employment. Job opportunities. A criminal record resulting from driving without a license can negatively impact employment opportunities, particularly in jobs requiring driving or a clean criminal background. Current employment. If driving is a part of current job responsibilities, losing a license or having a criminal record can jeopardize job security. B. Personal reputation and relationships. Damage to reputation. Being caught driving without a license can damage your personal reputation and relationships, leading to social stigma and distrust. Prevention and mitigation. 1. Obtaining a valid driving license driver. Education. Complete necessary driver education courses and pass the required tests to obtain a valid driving license. Legal compliance. Ensure you comply with all legal requirements and keep your driving license up to date. 2. Temporary solutions. Alternative transportation. Use alternative transportation methods, such as public transit, ride-sharing services, or carpooling, until a valid driving license is obtained. Provisional licenses. In some jurisdictions, provisional licenses or permits are available for individuals who have not yet obtained a full license. 3. Legal assistance. Seek legal counsel. If caught driving without a license, seek legal counsel to navigate the legal process and potentially mitigate penalties. An attorney can provide guidance and represent your interests in court.